Do you want to plan a tour like this? So it's time for your first self-made Komoot tour with the routing planner of Komoot. My name is Thomas from Harzer Bergwald channel, your number one choice for Komoot help. Stay tuned! Welcome back, guys, and let's get started by introducing the elements of the Komoot route planner. At the right side we have a center button. This will zoom your view to all of your set waypoints, and then you have a zoom in, zoom out button. You can also use your mouse wheel, but for me it jumps too much, so I will use a zoom in and zoom out button. You can also use the plus and minus button on your keypad. So the next one is here you choose your map layer, and the first is Komoot map, and this is the basic map for route planner. I would recommend to use this map for planning. Then the OpenCycle map, OpenStreetMap, Google Map Roads, and Google Satellite. Sometimes I use Google Satellite just to look out for nice places, to look out for a parking place and so on. To move your view on the map, you use your left mouse button, click it and hold it, and then you can move your view. You can also use your cursor control tabs, left, right, up and down. There are different kind of elements on the map, like this one. Those are basic map elements, viewpoints, ruins and so on, parking places, and the red ones are highlights set up by the community. You can use these markers on the map to set waypoints. If you have planned a route, you have this blue line, this is your route, and you have your waypoints. And if you choose a one-way trip, you have point A and point B, and if you have a round trip, you only have point A. It's your start and it's your finish place. And the green color is affected by a waypoint if you use a basic map sign like a parking place or like a viewpoint, and the red color is affected by using highlights from the community. They are always red. Let's have a look at the left side from the map. Here, this box you can switch on and switch off. So here is your search box. You can search by name. So here's your result. You can use this as waypoints, and the X button will clear your search box. Then you can choose one-way trip or round trip. With this button, the reset button, you clear the map. You will delete all waypoints and the planned route. Here you choose your activity from hiking, cycling, mountain biking and running, and here are some difference between hiking and mountain climbing and so on. Here you see your waypoint list. If there are more waypoints, you read here 3 more waypoints, just click on it and it will expand. You can change the order on the list. Just click and hold left mouse button and drag and drop your waypoints to change the order. You can delete a waypoint here by clicking the trash can. You can set up your fitness level. It depends on the duration. The duration depends on your fitness level. You can choose here with a slider, Okay. So you can change the waypoint order, the direction of your track, and here you can add another waypoint. On the white part of the box you see your stats of the route, the duration, it depends on your fitness level. the length of the tour, and uphill and downhill, the difficult level, and here you see your way types, and use the mouse wheel to scroll, and here the surface types, and here the average speed by your it's also affected by your fitness level, and highest point and the lowest point on the map. Here you can save the planet route, and you can also send it to your phone, but you don't need it. It's enough if you save your tour. And here is the elevation map of your route, and here you can click, an example, a waypoint or another part on the map. And with these settings you turn on and turn off the way types and surfaces on your elevation map. And that's all about the elements of the route planner. Let's start to plan a first self-made tour. So for a new routing, I have to clear the map. I use here the reset button to delete all waypoints and the routing. And then I will start by choosing a parking place, a start, choosing a highlight, set as destination because it's the second waypoint. So choosing another highlight, add it to the tour, choosing one more highlight, add it to the tour, and here we go. Here is our first planet tour, so I can change the activity, and then the routing, choose here a path for hiking. And now you can change the order you remember. I can add some more waypoints by clicking the right button on the map on a path, and then add to tour. Okay, you can see here it changed. I can click on it and remove it, and I can also change the path by clicking it with the left mouse button. Hold the left mouse button and then pull it here to another path, and then release the mouse button, and you see here is a new waypoint created. And that's your first tour. So, and then you can click Save Tour, give it a new name, and then got it. Congratulations for your first self-made tour on Komoot. And here are the details of your tour. You see the waypoints, the highlights. Here is your map, the elevation profile, and you can still change the name. You can change the tour, new routing, setting up new waypoints. You can invite friends on Komoot. You can plan a similar tour. You can share it to Facebook, Twitter, and so on. You can export the GPX file for another GPS device, and you can print the tour. Here the basic setting is private mode, and you can delete the tour. Here is like your tour, giving some commands, and that's all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you feel this video helpful, please give me a like. And much better, add the Harzer Bergwald channel to your favorite channels on YouTube. Hope to see you soon. Our next tutorial will be planning a route off-road without passes. On this map, there are some other maps like Google Maps also with more detail grade, and we can plan off-site, off Komoot, and then import to Komoot. And I will show you this in the next tutorial. See you soon. Goodbye.